I just want to briefly go, because I think it's quite important to little bit discuss about this, because I'm now, as I told, I cannot do this very much anymore. And we have to think about what would be the best way to proceed, and do you see it valuable to proceed? And so what I have here is in the middle here some ideas about this kind of workshops and shared documents on this one, and then about building some sort of core team here, and thinking of there's some improvements which were already suggested, which I think is very valuable. And also we have this potential of having legal advice here, some money for that. And also some other things regarding these practices, which are more RI specific. And then the discussion which was actually raised up that by, I think it was Andreas, that should these be like really put it in API somewhere that you fulfill these policy requirements, and to be kind of certificate. So if anybody has any brief comments on these ones, I think it's kind of core thing to know what we should be doing next. So, or if you think this is completely useless stuff also, it would be good to know. Helen, please.
Yeah, I think it's probably worth saying, Ari, that we are looking for people in work to engage more fully in Work Package 4 in some of these activities, because obviously now you have your new role at RDA. You've left quite a gap in the team in Work Package 4. So we are looking to move forward with having greater engagement. But I think this is a good point for us to widen this core team and to look at how we can develop some of these activities that we've talked about today, because I have to say, certainly in the breakouts that I've been in, there's been some really engaging discussion and insight from a number of people who are not currently involved or actively involved in Work Package 4. So I think it would be good to have some of those people now really engage in the discussion as we move forward. So I think that's the one observation that I wanted to make. So if there are people who've been involved in the workshop today who would like to be more involved in this aspect of the work in ENVRI Fair, it would be good for you to identify yourselves, preferably by an email to Andreas as the coordinator and myself as the remaining lead of Work Package 4. We're not losing Ari altogether. He will be around in a consultative role, but I think this will be quite limited as far as I understand it, Ari.
Yeah, I actually have a slide about this, but Serge first. Come, please comment.
Yes, just mention that we have we have already discussed that together, and I would be quite happy to map or to explore the impact of this framework on CDataNet on one side, because I'm representing CDataNet in this project, but also on DISCO, as I'm the work package leader for governance and policies. There is a huge interest for DISCO, which is now in the preparatory phase.
Absolutely. I think that would be really valuable. Don't you agree, Ellen?
Absolutely. And I would be delighted to work more closely with you, Serge.
And then as oh, Serge, please.
No, just wanted to say thank you to Helen.
So just as an idea here, and I'm not expecting anybody now to immediately jump on board, but also if you know somebody who would be useful for this, there is of course some budget for a person who could maybe take more role as more maybe as a facilitator than really. I've been doing a lot of desk research, and I think that right now this needs to move a little bit more into this kind of community development. So there is some possibility for this. So some ideas here, and also that how I wrote here is that some experience of RI policies is beneficial, but in principle, if you would have also in your organization somebody who could provide a mentorship, that could already be well. And of course, as I said, I will keep a little bit my VT also here, so to provide support for anybody who would be interested about this. So just as an idea, if you have anybody in mind. Andreas, please.
Yeah, I want to support, or first thank Ari for very much for that policy framework, which is I find a very useful document, and so the purpose for the next phase now in that work package 4, I think, is to bring that policy framework to life. Because the framework is defined, and that requires a bit it's a new kind of profile of the person needed now for the main as a facilitator, and get people to work, so that people should have in mind. When you think about if this is something you want to jump in or want to be engaged a bit more.
Sure. Okay, any other comments? Not necessarily about replacement for me, but also about the future of this whole thing. We also, please, Keith. Andreas, you have an old hand.
Yeah, just a quick comment. In the first breakout session, my room 2 group really, I think, said some important things, that the framework you've produced, Ari, is useful, first of all, as inspiration for RIs writing their policies, and secondly, for the mature RIs that already have policies to act as a sanity check to make sure that things are covered. So I think it's very useful from those points of view.
Excellent. Thank you. I think that's good to hear from people. I actually have also a Menti here. I don't know if you people have time for that, or do you want to go for lunch now? So you can of course later contact me as well, but we can also do a little end Menti here. Hopefully I get this screen sharing somehow to work for this. Let's see. Okay, I don't know where that disappeared. I don't see it anymore myself, which is a bit difficult. Okay, now, can you see now the screen? I hope. Nobody's commenting anything. Or
yes, we do see it.
Okay, can you access the Menti as well? I hope this is, yeah, at least somebody could. That's good. Somebody's really energetic afterwards. Okay, we don't have to go very far in here. There's actually in the next slides a bit more interesting one, maybe. How do you feel after this one? If you now very quickly score these things about the policy framework afterwards, did you get a better idea what's happening? I think that's maybe the more important here. You get a very strong push for important clearness. I agree that there is definitely some aspects there. There is a strong interest on further development, at least the people who are still in the workshop and haven't disappeared, of course. And I do see that it clearly kind of, there is kind of interest on usability and importance, and the clearness clearly needs to be improved. I think that's a very valuable information to have. So I think we, just for time, we can go forward a little bit. And just in general now, anonymously, this first question is a little bit the same as one of the previous ones, but also some others that we should have more workshops. And how interested people are also participating on these ones. So if you can just quickly check these out, what do you think about? Nobody wants more policies, very few of them. And also the workshops are very bimodal, which is also good to know. So people who definitely don't want more, and people who want more. So that's good to know. It's probably more limited in scale. And we need more details to help implementation. I think that's a very strong message there that I think that needs to be improved. But there's quite a good interest to participate in the future development. I think that's very good to know, and helps for the future part here. And so I think this is the last one what I have, and I think just quickly write what kind of thing you think this policy framework should be in the end of the ENVRI fair, because whoever runs this or whatever kind of core team runs it, it's good to have some ideas where you are aiming at. And there were some discussions about this during this session. So if you can write just like one sentence or something, what do you think would be the policy framework, what it should be ENVRI next? Collection of policy statements for ENVRIs, yes. Policy checklist, yes, that was mentioned here. Few steps forward and have an idea what might be the right direction of future work. I think that can be very beneficial as a document. Let's see if anybody else. Shared policy, absolutely. I think these still kind of very well summarize what was mentioned earlier, but I just wanted to have a chance for anonymously giving this feedback as well in the end. Strong but versatile policy framework, shared policy, checklist and process for implementation, e.g. like nano publications. Yes, that's actually an interesting approach as well. A policy cookbook. Yeah, this is always the problem with this. Yeah, you can go back down. Forum to support development at RI levels and a way to help each other. Yes, I think this kind of community activity, I think we really need to push this one forward somehow to create this feedback loop instead of kind of working separately in these issues. Okay, I don't see, well, priority policy elements identified. Yes, that's an interesting new development we need to do. +1 to forum and community building. Yeah, we have to find a way to do this. A policy wizard. Yeah, that's actually not a bad idea to have that. You need this kind of thing. Choose one of these choices, and then it's qualified for other purposes. Okay, now we are about 20 minutes over time, so I think that we have to start to close this so people can have lunch. But I personally like to thank very much everybody participating. I think this has been very useful and very rewarding for me as well. And as I told, I'm not completely disappearing, but we have to then find out what is the mode which will best suit in the future. And of course, I will try to help with this activity. But I think it's a little bit up to Helen and Andreas to at least take the first steps here. Helen, please.
I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank you, Ari, because although I've been work package leader, Ari has been the task leader responsible for doing the majority of this work on the policy framework. And I think Ari should be congratulated for the huge amount of time and effort that he has put into moving this forward. And I want to thank him personally for being somebody who I really enjoy working with as well. So I also want to wish you all the best for your new job, Ari.
Thank you very much, Helen. It's always been a pleasure.
And we promise we don't let you off the hook completely.
I know where to find him because I'm still on the technical advisory board for RDA as well.
Oh dear. Okay.
Honestly, let me just say that I think today it demonstrated again, especially if you look at the last Mentimeter responses, that the framework you have delivered is really something we can build on. And it will be a heavily used document. So I think that thanks quite a lot for that work you put into that and make something useful in a way that you, like you structured it, it can really can move to implementation, so to say. And that is the thing I like very much about this framework. It's not simply describing something, it offers a way how to implement. And that's very helpful, very pragmatic. Thanks.
That's good to hear. I really hope that people will start to get use this at some point really in reality, and to become a much more practical document. And of course, one key point also here is, which I don't think I mentioned, but it's kind of obvious, is that this is also a deliverable, but the deliverable is due only next end of the year, I think. But I think we can submit it earlier. I'm guessing that it's the draft policy document, so we can then have it a bit more wider distribution, and we could. I don't see there very much issues which are actually environmental sciences specific. So we could maybe think about also the other clusters. But that's another thing. Okay, there is also one thing not to forget in the chat. Please check there. Maggie put there a link to the feedback, so you can give feedback of the event. All in all, we definitely know that we are over time. That's for sure. But that we know already. But other things, what do you think about the event? It would be very nice to hear from you. Okay, with this one, I think that's thank you all. And maybe we can stop the recording then and go with our other duties for the day.